Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use multiple Brawl Stars accounts. So the process is very easy and I will be showing you in an emulator, but you can use your mobile device because the process is the same. So first of all, launch your Brawl Stars, and then from the home page, home menu, will go to this three dots bar at the top right corner, press on that and then press on Supercell ID. So this tab will open and you'll see this cog icon at the top, press on that, and at the bottom you see this option switch account, so press on that. So it will give you option to log in to your Supercell ID. So if you have another ID like another Supercell ID, what you'll have to do is you'll have to press in login to your Supercell ID, press continue, and then you'll have to type in your email here. And what will happen is they will send a verification code, 6-digit code. What you'll have to do is you'll have to go to your email, copy it, and then in the verify page, after you press login, you'll go to verify, and then in the verify page you'll have to paste the code, and then you'll have to confirm, and your ID will be saved here. So after logging in, you'll see your ID here below your original or primary one. So what you'll have to do is then when you come to this tab here again from the game itself, simply go to switch account and you'll see your both of your IDs here. Simply press on the ID that you want to switch to, and the game will, as you can see, restart, and you will be able to switch to that account and then play with that account as well. So this is how you can have multiple Brawl Stars account on your same device. That was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.